Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Lewis and you're on your channel EcoplanturUSA. Today I'm bringing you a homemade, affordable, and natural recipe to get rid of those pesky weeds that pop up in cracks on the patio or on your house walls. Pulling them out by hand is exhausting and the chemical products they sell are really expensive. So stick around until the end of the video because today you're going to learn how to make a homemade weed killer that works fast, is cheap, and super easy to make. For this recipe, we're going to use 2 cups of water. If you need a larger amount, no problem. Just double or triple the formula, depending on how much you want to make. The water can be tap water, rested water, or filtered water. Any of them work just fine. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of table salt. This is one of the most important parts because the salt helps dehydrate the plant tissues. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It boosts the effect of the salt and enhances the drying of the weeds. 5 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. This is the real secret of the recipe. Because detergent has a somewhat sticky texture, it easily clings to the surface of the leaves, which makes the mixture stay on the plant longer and creates a much stronger effect. To prepare the mixture, use a measuring container. First, add the 2 cups of water. Add the tablespoon of salt, the tablespoon of baking soda, and the 5 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. Stir everything very well until it is completely dissolved. It's very important to mix well so there are no lumps. If you want, before pouring it into the spray bottle, you can strain it with a fine cloth to prevent any lumps from clogging the nozzle. Once it's ready, pour it into the spray bottle. Now, how should we apply it? It's very simple. Spray it directly onto the weeds or the areas where you want to get rid of them, making sure to cover them well. The best time is when the sun is strongest and there's no rain, because rain would wash away the remedy. Applying it during the hottest hours of the day doubles the effect of the weed killer, since the sun dehydrates and, at the same time, the salt and baking soda attack the plant's tissues. In about 4 to 5 days, you'll start to notice the change. The leaves will start changing color from green to purple, then to brown. Finally, they'll dry out completely thanks to the combined effect of the salt and baking soda on the plant tissues, which dehydrate them and kill the plant. And there you have it. A homemade weed killer that's cheap, eco-friendly, super quick to make, and you can prepare it at home without any hassle. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Big hugs, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video here on EcoplanTur.